So I'm going to log on using the SAP Cloud Identity Service running on BTP. Here I can enter my email address and password, and then it brings me into the home page. Here we've got different workspaces for different areas. So if we go into finance, we can see different collections that are different data types based on the data in SAP and the display transactions. If we go into accounting documents as an example, we can see it's filtered on my previous selections, and I can make other filters. I can download the list of object keys as a CSV, but I can also go into a particular key. So if we go into this accounting document, I can see the document header information, I can see the items, and if we toggle into SAP, we can see the same document there in SAP. So for a user who is used to the SAP GUI interface, they will be able to find their way around very easily indeed. If we go back and have a look at the materials management workspace, in here we can view a material master, and again you can use filters to get a list of materials that fit certain criteria, and you can download that as a CSV. You can change the fields that are visible, the columns that are visible in the output before downloading the CSV. But when you go into a particular material, you can see, again, comparing to SAP, a user who is used to this particular layout will understand exactly where they are viewing the same data. And then similarly for the employee data, if we go into the human capital management workspace and go look at the employee data, we can again search for particular employees based on the name or based on government ID number. And then when we go into the data, we've got a layout that splits out the data in a way that makes sense to the user. And we can even go and view complex data like payroll cluster information. So here we can drill in and see the actual results table, CRT, etc.